Most people who are trying to grow their business are focused on the wrong things. They think they need more content, more posts, more followers, more ads, and while those things are good, they are not the fastest route to doubling your business. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, the #1 e-commerce platform for digital product sellers. And looking at our database, it is crystal clear. The fastest way to multiply your sales is to give every customer a chance to spend more. Just like Amazon has recommended products, just like your iPhone lets you increase the storage, you need the same thing with every single order placed on your site. And the simplest version of that is called order bumps. Order bumps are these beautiful, simple little checkboxes that someone can click to add additional recommended products to their cart while they are buying. And SamCart's data is crystal clear. Adding a few of these bumps increases AOV by 98%. Said a different way, adding a couple of these little checkboxes doubles the revenue you're collecting from every sale. Now, this technology is not new, but the catch has always been not knowing what to sell or how to sell it. And that is where today's brand new feature comes into play. Now added to the SamCart AI assistant is a new agent that looks at the entire SamCart database, $7 billion in sales, and customizes order bump ideas, prices, and even writes the sales pitch that sells it. Let me show you how to do all of that stuff and get AI to start making you more money immediately with SamCart's newest AI tool. All right, so as an example, let's say you had a newsletter that you sold, and here's my quick sales page for it, right? You click on Get Access, launches SamCart Slide Checkout, all good, lots of good things going on. But you'll notice there are no order bumps here. You can choose to pay monthly or pay annual, right? But some order bumps here might be really, really impactful for monetizing your audience better. So what do? If you have no ideas, if you've never done this before, doesn't matter. Head over into SamCart, okay? Come over and click on the AI assistant. This is a great place where you can ask support questions, you can get all kinds of different help, or you can click see what I can do and check out our agents. We have agents in here that can brainstorm and literally write, create, and design your ebook. They can do the same thing for a lead magnet. They can design a course, write sales page copy, create opt-in pages, generate upsell ideas, upsell scripts, right? And the new one right here we're gonna focus on is generate order bump ideas, right? So I'm gonna click on this and click on enter. The first thing the bot is gonna do is gonna look at your account and basically ask, do you wanna generate order bump ideas for one of the products you already have or a new product? I'm gonna go ahead and tell it what I wanna do right now. So just like that, this AI assistant has gone and taken a look at our account, has taken a look at the SamCart database and its price points that we know work, and has put together some recommendations. A quick start swipe file pack, a one-page marketing audit checklist, a 30-day email kickstart guide. And as you can see, most of these order bump ideas are relatively inexpensive. Let's take a look back at the product that we're selling. Because the product we're selling is only $10 a month, your order bumps are generally speaking going to be somewhere in that price range as well. It's going to look at SamCart's database, it's going to look at what works and make some customized recommendations. But your job is now to basically look through these and say, which one of these do I want to execute on? Pick 2 or 3, and then we'll move on here in just a second. Your only job is to tell the AI assistant which of the ideas you like, and it's going to ask, do you want to change the price? Do you want to change the titles? And then ask to go write the actual sales pitch. If we check out some of these other examples of what good order bumps look like, you'll see that typically you get a little bit of space to do a quick pitch. It's not a big long video, it's not pages and pages of sales copy, but a couple quick sentences make for all the difference in the world when it comes to convincing your customers to spend some more money. And so the AI assistant actually takes that on itself and will write them for you. And so now the next thing I need to do is make sure I have a SamCart product created for each one of these offers. So I'm gonna head over to the Sell tab and make these 3 products really quick, and we'll come right back here. And so creating those products is really as simple as just going to your Sell tab, clicking a new product, and giving it a name and the price that the AI assistant recommends. Now we're going to go and create this as a set of order bumps, which is again done here in the Sell tab under the Offers tab. Let me walk over there and we'll show you how that's done. So when creating order bumps, you can choose to attach one order bump or multiple order bumps. And all you're doing is just selecting your products from a drop-down menu, right? Then we're gonna go ahead and just name this. I could call this the newsletter order bumps, and go ahead and click on create. And now here's where I get to do some design work. For each one of the order bumps, I can reorder them very easily. I can open up one and do things like upload an image or show a quick description, which we'll copy in from the AI assistant here in just a second. The design tab allows me to change some things about how the design looks and feels. And there's a bunch of different things we can do here. What I'm going to do real quick is for each one of these bumps, I'm going to copy and paste the description in from the AI assistant. And now that each one of these has a description, you can see it has this view details button that when published will look a lot like what I'm showing you here, where someone can click view details to get the quick sales pitch on why someone might buy that order bump. But if I dive back into my account, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to have AI go ahead and create a quick image, as a little square image that I'll drop in for each one of these products. And just like that, everything is ready to go. These order bumps are ready to be deployed to the checkout so that everybody that buys my newsletter, I can be collecting 2 to 3 times more revenue. The only thing I need to do is come over to attach products and choose that newsletter product. And I could choose to have it on the monthly. I could also choose to have it on the annual option. I could choose to put it on any product that I sell from inside my SamCart account. And so now when we come back over to this sales page and launch its checkout, we go ahead and have these beautiful order bumps waiting for every single customer to check out. And so adding just 2 or 3 of these order bumps can double your average order value. And if you want to get technology like this active on whatever it is that you're selling and start multiplying the revenue you're making, head over to SamCart.com, where you can get instant access to everything SamCart has for you on a free trial, the full AI assistant, the entire expansion revenue suite like this, and a bunch of other technologies can help you maximize the money you're making. Links in the description below. Check it out.